This full bed frame is made of heavy-duty metal slats to provide optimum support for your mattress, preventing sagging and make it in longer service life. Max support around 450 to 550 pounds. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Easy assembly. Everything is included in the package. No additional tools are needed. All parts are clearly labeled, and one person can easily and quickly assemble and disassemble. Number 2. Convenient and practical. This full bed frame, no box spring needed, can be used with all mattress types including memory foam mattresses. Mattress fully covers the edges and corners for your safety. Number 3. User-friendly design. Solid steel support with a rounded edge headboard and footboard. This full bed frame avoids scratching and prevents the mattress from sliding. The vintage sturdy bed frame is 13 inches off the floor, which offers sufficient space to store boxes, clothes, toys, quilts, etc. Number 4. Size and weight. Full bed frame size. Length 74.5 inches by width 53.5 inches by height 43.3 inches. Weight 54 pounds. Only bed frame, not including the mattress. It has a total of 12 legs, including extra 6 reinforced legs. We offer 5 years of after-sales service for metal beds. Number 5. Metal bed frame. The bed frame is made of metal with ultimate strength and safety design, where its 12 legs contact the floor for durability and stability. The well-made bed frame sets up quickly and easily, simply with a mattress. You will enjoy sweet sleep. Number 6. Sturdy construction and support, built with durable metal. The bed frame features multiple support legs backed up by horizontal and vertical slats and bars. The structure not only provides overall stability but allows your mattress to lay safely and evenly, helping prevent the mattress from sagging and enhance the mattress life. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.